Today I will show you how to use THITO application. Open the application. Now, select the language you want. After that, you can see there are two options, that is login and create new account. If you are an existing user, you can click on login and proceed. But now we are creating a new account, so we will go with create new account. You have to fill some personal details, that is your full name, your country, mobile number, and after that you have to create a password for your account. After entering all the details, just click on save. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Once you have entered the OTP, click on I agree to the privacy policy option. After that, click on verify. Now, you need to fill the details about yourself, such as your gender, birth date, address, PIN code, etc. You can also add your profile picture. After entering all the details, just click on next. You have to fill the details of your personal health record, such as your blood group, your family doctor, and also you need to tell us about your health status. You can also add any additional information in the notes section. Then, after filling all the details, click on create new account. Your account has been successfully created. The user will receive an UID, that is unique identification number, which you can use to log in your THITO account in any device.